Hey there everybody, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add videos to your screen recordings in OBS. So without any further hesitation, let's begin. Alright everybody, so as you can see OBS has been loaded up. So what you want to do first is come over to the add icon, come over to media source, click OK. And basically just come over to the local file and browse, come over to videos obviously, and then just basically click any video you want to add to OBS. So I'm going to choose this forest cinematic drone footage, click open, okay, and essentially bam, and it's playing over the video. In fact you can even add it as a picture-in-picture type of thing. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to add videos to your screen recordings in OBS. If this video was of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results to help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.